Here we have a 2019 BMW X5 XDRIVE30D M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get four 22-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. Coming around to the front, you'll see we've got this really aggressive looking front spoiler that really does set the car off well. We've then got the black kidney grills as well. Great contrast between the white and the black on this vehicle. Coming around to this corner, we've then got our second 22-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Coming up, we've got some M badging, black wing mirror, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've then got the black roof rails on top, as well as the shark fin antenna. Now here's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. There you go. As we come to the rear, we've then got our third alloy wheel. We've got the side skirt at the bottom there as well. Coming to the rear, we've then got our spoiler and rear diffuser finishing off the kit. And how fantastic does this kit look? It really does make the car stand out. We do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as 360-degree cameras. We've got the dual exit exhausts at the bottom there too, power assisted tailgate, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now we've then got our last alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Now we've got plenty of great features inside this vehicle. We're just waiting for it to have its full valet, but as soon as it does we will film a second video with a lot more details inside. But as you can see just there, we've got things like the adjustable suspension. We can actually raise and lower the vehicle. We've got our intelligent safety, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the list goes on. Plenty of great features packed inside this car, so more information on it soon. Thanks for watching, that's all from me.